Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create these really simple beach waves. This is a technique that I have clients and friends ask me about all the time, just about how to create kind of the beachy look without it being too tight, and then how to make the curls last all day. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so with her, I went ahead and already curled the bottom layer of her hair, and now I'm just starting by sectioning it off. Depending on how thick the person's hair is, I'll typically take about an 1.5 to 2 inch section, and I'm using the Babyliss Pro 1 1/4 inch curling iron, and I have it on about 350 to 375. You don't really need it to be super hot. So kind of the technique you can see I'm doing here is I will wrap the hair up in the curling iron, and I'll leave the ends out maybe about an inch or so or more if you want it to be more beachy, and I'll go through and unwrap it off of the curling iron. So you can see here I'm wrapping it on, leaving those ends off the curling iron, and then unwrapping it off of the iron itself, and then I pull the ends through to straighten them a little bit. Now what that does is kind of leaving the ends out helps it to be more beachy, and it actually helps to kind of prevent some damage on your ends as well. And kind of unwrapping it like that actually allows the hair to cool in that position, so when it's all said and done, the wave itself will last a really long time. And now with this, I choose to curl everything away from the face just because I like the finished look with that. But if you want a style like this to be really beachy and textured and kind of messy, you can actually alternate the direction that the curls go. So yeah, and then just pulling those ends right through, that'll kind of straighten them a little bit and give you that beachy look. But yeah, this technique is really simple. It's something that just takes a little bit of practice to figure out. But once you can kind of get down the steps of just kind of wrapping it around a little bit, leaving those ends out, and then unwrapping it off the iron, this is something that goes by really quick. It won't take you very long at all to replicate this at all. So that's pretty much the technique. It's pretty much straightforward. Again, you can do this all away from the face, alternated towards the face, kind of whatever you decide. But yeah, this technique is pretty easy, and you can get really great long-lasting beach curls each time.
I know better than to call back. I missed your call, I finally think I'm fine with that. I know it hurts when love bites back, but it's your fault, I wish you'd just accept that. I got a better place to be, where the only focus is me. Neon waitlist got me feeling like I'm flying. I've been holding on to these dreams, I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been holding that in your stars.
Okay guys, so here's the finished product after we're all done curling. Typically I'll let the curls rest for just a second just so they can all cool down. And then what I like to do is go back in with either a texture spray, a hairspray, or even you could use a dry shampoo too, just to add a little bit of texture, a little bit of volume, and a little bit of hold. And then what I'll do from there is just kind of rake my fingers through the curls. You could brush them out if you wanted to, but they'll be really, really, really loose. You could use a white tooth comb or just your fingers. It's always a good option too. Again, I'll add a little bit more of that texture spray. She's got a lot of hair, and so I wanted to add a little bit more just to give her a little bit of volume. But you can, again, you can use kind of whatever product you think would work best. But yeah, I would kind of rake my hands through it and get it to where I like it, kind of just fluff it out a little bit and play with it until it's where I want it. But yeah, there's your finished product. Again, this technique is really super easy. It's not complicated at all. And again, you'll have curls that last all day and they won't be too tight and they'll be that perfect, perfect beach curl. But thanks so much for watching, guys. I appreciate it and I hope this helped. Bye.